Napakahalaga ng pagpunta ng ating Pangulo dito sa Russian Federation. Una-una, kailangan natin maintindihan na our President is wearing two hats sa pagpunta niya dito sa Russia. Una-una, yung hat as chair ng ASEAN ngayong 2026 at pangalawa bilang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. So, dalawa yung papel na ginagampanan natin Pangulo dito. And so far, sa nakita namin today, he's really doing a very good job for both roles, no? Sa araw na ito, yung first day ng ating state visit, nagkaroon ng bilateral meeting ang ating Pangulo at His Excellency Vladimir Putin, ang Pangulo ng Russia, and our respective delegations. And napaka-warm nung reception ng ating mga host sa Pilipinas, no? Nakakatuwa nga nung unang-unang statement pa lang ni Pangulong Putin, at kinongratulate niya ang Pilipinas for celebrating ang ating araw ng kalayaan noong June 12. At sinabi din ni President Putin na sila din pala noong June 12 is Moscow Day. So sinelebrate din nila. It's a special holiday din daw sa kanila yon. So sabi niya, yung una pa lang yon, na-establish na nila yung commonality, yung links ng Pilipinas at ng bansang Russia, no? Pangalawa, pinuri nung dalawang leaders natin yung ating 50th anniversary ng bilateral relations natin between our two countries, no? In fact, President Putin recalled that it was the father of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. who came to Moscow in 1976 to establish the bilateral relations between our two countries. And he was very impressed. Sabi niya, nung mga panahon ng Cold War, kung naaalala niyo, noong 1976, it took a lot of political will at pinuri niya ang ating Pangulong Marcos Sr. sa pagpunta dito at pag-establish ng ating diplomatic relations, no? So, ang ating Pangulo naman ay natutuwa din doon sa paggunita ni Pangulong Putin doon sa ginawa ng kanyang ama noong 1976. Itong 35th anniversary ng ASEAN-Russia Summit, hindi taon-taon ginagawa tong commemorative summit na to, no? Sineselebrate natin yung 35 years ng relationship ng ASEAN at ng Russia at ng bansang Russia, pero hindi taon-taon ginagawa ito. So natutuwa tayo, nakaka-honor sa atin that during our chairship, nag-invite ang Russia sa isang commemorative summit, no? So it's really a big honor for us and our president na ginawa nila ito dito. And very impressive yung gala dinner na hinost ng Russia for all the leaders of ASEAN, all the 11 leaders of ASEAN, no? So we're really very grateful, we're honored, and we're very happy with the hospitality of the Russian Federation. Nakita natin yung dalawang leaders natin, they celebrated our years of friendship with each other, and pareho sila nag-express ng optimism that we can further expand our relations. And there are a lot of areas that we can grow our relationship, no? So both leaders na nakita namin are very optimistic about the future.